9 critical mistakes you're making. When soaking chia seeds, they turn toxic. What if I told you that the same superfood you've been adding to your smoothies, puddings, and detox drinks could actually become dangerous if you're not preparing it correctly? Yep, the almighty chia seed, worshipped by wellness influencers and health nuts alike, can turn toxic. Sounds crazy, right? But stay with me, because the way you soak your chia seeds could be the difference between boosting your health and messing it up. Chia seeds have taken over kitchen shelves, from fitness gurus to food bloggers, swearing by their fiber-packed magic. They're a powerhouse, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and loaded with antioxidants. But here's the catch. Most people are soaking them wrong, and when soaked improperly, chia seeds don't just lose their benefits. They could potentially harm your digestion, wreck your nutrient intake, or even become a choking hazard. So in this video, we're diving deep into 9 critical mistakes you might be making when soaking chia seeds, and what to do instead to get the full benefits safely. Trust me, you'll never look at these tiny seeds the same way again. Let's get into it. Soaking chia seeds in plain tap water without checking quality. Here's the first silent saboteur: your water. A lot of people just toss chia seeds into a glass of regular tap water, give it a quick stir, and call it a day. But hold on, have you ever tested your tap water? The truth is, tap water in many areas contains chlorine, heavy metals like lead, or microplastics. When chia seeds soak in contaminated water, they absorb all of it like little sponges. That means all those toxins could be going straight into your system when you eat them. Now, before you panic and swear off water altogether, here's the fix. Always use filtered or purified water. It's a tiny upgrade with a massive payoff. You wouldn't soak your vegetables in bleach water, right? So treat your chia seeds with the same care. Soaking chia seeds. Too little. Under 30 minutes isn't enough. This one's a classic rookie move, tossing chia seeds into water and eating them 5 or 10 minutes later. Big mistake. Chia seeds need time, at least 30 minutes, to properly absorb water and form that gel-like coating that makes them so digestible. Eating them before they're fully soaked can lead to stomach discomfort, bloating, or worse. They can swell up in your esophagus and become a choking risk. Yeah, it's rare, but it's real. Think of it like rice. You wouldn't eat it half-cooked, right? Same goes for chia. Give them time to soak, and your gut will thank you for it. It's patience, with a purpose. Using the wrong water to chia ratio. A lot of people just eyeball it. A spoonful of chia, splash of water, shake it up, done. But this is a critical mistake. Too little water and the chia seeds don't fully expand, making them hard to digest. Too much, and you end up with a watery mess that doesn't gel properly. The magic ratio? 1 part chia to 6 parts water. That's right. If you're using 2 tablespoons of chia, you need at least 3/4 of a cup of liquid. This ratio ensures that each seed gets fully hydrated, forming that perfect jelly texture that's easy on your system. Don't wing it, measure it. Precision here is power. Soaking chia seeds in sugary or flavored liquids. Sure, it might be tempting to soak chia seeds in juice, soda, or some fancy flavored milk to infuse flavor. But here's the issue. High sugar content can interfere with the seed's ability to absorb water properly. That means they may stay partially dry on the inside, leading to digestion issues or less nutrient release. Plus, you're adding unnecessary sugar to something that's supposed to be a healthy snack. It's like deep frying a salad, completely defeats the purpose. Instead, soak them in plain water or unsweetened plant-based milk first, then add flavors after they're fully soaked. Flavor smart, not fast. Not stirring the chia seeds properly. Ever found a clump of dried chia seeds floating in a glass? That's what happens when you skip the stir. When chia seeds first hit the water, they begin absorbing liquid immediately, forming that gel layer. If you don't stir them well in the first few minutes, they clump together like sticky rice, and the center of those clumps stays dry. The result? Unpleasant texture and uneven hydration. Stir the seeds immediately after adding them to water, then again after 5 minutes. You're not just making a drink. You're crafting a gel matrix. Stir like you mean it. Letting them sit too long, more than 3 days? Toss it. Some people think they can soak a giant batch of chia seeds and store it for a week or more. Nope. Major no-go. Chia gel starts to degrade after about 3 days in the fridge. It can go sour, smell funky, and even start growing mold if your container isn't airtight. That's not a probiotic. It's a science experiment. You wouldn't drink week-old coffee left out on the counter, right? Same principle. Make only what you'll use in the next 2 to 3 days, store it sealed in the fridge, and always do a sniff test before using it. Fresh is best, ignoring the choking hazard, especially when dry. This might sound dramatic, but it's not. Dry chia seeds can be dangerous if you swallow them without liquid. Once in your throat or stomach, they can expand rapidly, absorbing nearby moisture. And if you haven't drunk enough water, this can be extremely uncomfortable or even dangerous. There have been rare but serious cases reported where dry chia seeds caused esophageal blockages. Think of them like those magic expanding capsules you dropped in water as a kid. Fun to watch, but you wouldn't eat them dry. Always pre-soak your chia or drink plenty of water immediately after if you're consuming them dry in yogurt or cereal. Assuming all chia seeds are equal. You'd think chia seeds are all the same. Tiny black or white, little specks, but not so fast. Poor quality chia seeds, especially those sourced from less regulated suppliers, can be contaminated with pesticides, poor storage molds, or even mixed with other seeds. Organic, reputable brands often test their seeds for purity and heavy metals, especially if they're imported. So if you're buying the cheapest bag off the bottom shelf at the dollar store, you're rolling the dice. Read labels. Look for USDA organic or third-party certifications. When it comes to superfoods, quality really does matter. Thinking more is better. Overloading on chia. We get it. Chia is amazing, but that doesn't mean you should eat 5 tablespoons a day. Overconsumption can lead to digestive issues like bloating, constipation, or worse. Chia seeds are incredibly high in fiber. Just 2 tablespoons give you around 10 grams. That's a lot for anyone not used to a high-fiber diet. Start slow. 1 tablespoon a day is more than enough to start seeing benefits. And drink lots of water to help it move through your system. Health isn't a competition. It's about balance, not overload. So there you have it. 9 critical mistakes people make when soaking chia seeds. These tiny little guys might be superfoods, but only if you treat them right. Don't let something so small sabotage your health routine. A little care, the right technique, and some patience can turn chia into one of the most powerful, gut-loving tools in your kitchen. Did any of these surprise you? Have you been making some of these mistakes? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. I want to hear your chia confessions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with a health-conscious friend, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss more deep dives into everyday health hacks that actually matter. Thanks for watching. And until next time, soak smart and stay healthy.